Welcome to Petsacular. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Amazon brand, Wag Dental Chews for dogs. These dental chews are designed to promote oral health, and we'll dive into whether they actually deliver on that promise. Let's get started. The Wag Dental Chews come in a pack of 24 chews, and each one is specifically tailored for larger dogs. They're unflavored and designed in a chunk form to help clean your dog's teeth as they chew. These chews are marketed as a solution to plaque buildup and to promote overall oral health in adult dogs. The key selling point? They're supposed to help reduce tartar, maintain fresh breath, and improve gum health. Important for keeping your pup's mouth in top shape. When it comes to real-world use, these chews are relatively easy to introduce into your dog's routine. We tested them with an adult, large breed dog, and right off the bat, the size of the chew seemed appropriate. Big enough to give a satisfying challenge without being overly difficult to chew. The texture was firm, yet not too hard, which helped with cleaning without risking damage to the teeth. The unflavored design is a bit of a mixed bag. Some dogs might love it, but others might find it a little underwhelming compared to flavored chews. Our test pup didn't seem to mind though, and happily chewed through the piece. However, one downside we noticed was the consistency. While the chews are effective at helping clean teeth, they're not as long-lasting as some premium brands. Larger dogs, especially those who chew aggressively, might get through them faster than expected, which means you'll need to replenish the supply more often. While this isn't a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind when factoring in the overall value. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the chews are easy to digest, and they don't leave any greasy residue behind. The unflavored option is a bit of a neutral ground. Some owners might appreciate that, as it's not too overpowering, but others might wish for a stronger scent or taste to keep their dog engaged. The price point for a pack of 24 chews is quite reasonable compared to other similar products on the market. On the downside, the chews don't seem to last as long as we'd like for larger but more aggressive chewers. They could be a bit more durable, but that's really the only downside we noticed. When it comes to value for money, I'd say these dental chews are definitely on the affordable side. Given their price point, they're a solid option for basic oral health maintenance for adult dogs. They're not the highest quality chew we've tested, but for what you're paying, they do the job. Comparing these to some other dental chews on the market, they stack up well in terms of price. However, they don't quite have the same lasting power as premium options. For example, certain higher-end dental chews offer longer chew times and more targeted plaque-fighting ingredients. That said, if you're on a budget, these Wag chews offer a good balance of effectiveness without breaking the bank. As for the build quality, the chews feel sturdy, and the packaging is simple but effective. There's nothing fancy here, but the chews don't break apart easily, and they seem to hold up well when being chewed. They're not going to last a lifetime, but they should hold up well for a few weeks of daily use. In terms of customer support, we didn't have to contact Amazon for this product, but as with most Amazon brands, customer service tends to be reliable, with easy returns and prompt assistance if needed. If you're looking for an alternative to these chews, there are a few similar products, such as Pedigree Dentastics or Greenies, which offer similar benefits for oral health. While those might come at a higher price, they tend to last a bit longer per chew. To wrap things up, the Wag Dental Chews are a solid, budget-friendly option for maintaining your dog's oral health. They're not the longest-lasting chew on the market, but they do the job for smaller dogs or those that aren't overly aggressive chewers. If you're looking for something affordable to maintain oral hygiene, they're a decent choice. But if your dog is a heavy chewer, you may want to consider something more durable. If this review helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other pet owners can find this video too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts about these chews, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and those teeth sparkling with Petsacular.